Tech channel. Hi friends, now we are seeing this Tech channel. Today our topic is how to repair our old mobile friends. Means your battery is dead. This phone's battery, it is dead. How to add another battery to this mobile and how to fit in it in a VCV digital cable TV box. Friends, this is setup box, old setup box. I removed this circuit board. I removed this, and this is the I removed all screws. Friends, here this pin is for charging. Friends, and we can charge. Let's make it, friends. See, now you have to put here some glue, friends, to fix it, this phone. And these are the wires I soldered before, and I soldered. You have to solder plus and minus, and middle one point is there, that also you have to solder, friends. And this pin is for to charge, friends. Like this, you can keep the phone for this. You can keep like this, and these wires are kept to this pin, friends. This pin. Now we don't have to remove this, friends. This pin we can charge with this pin, because this pin will loosen and the cell phone will not charge. That's why I do like this. We do like this, and now we have to solder like this any wire and tape it, friends. First take a insulation tape, electrical tape, and tape it. Take a scissor and cut it. Like this, another wire also you have to take it, friends. And cut it. Like this. Plus and minus you have to solder to this pin. Now we have to solder, friends. Like this, this box will come. That's why we have to solder here, guys. First, see, friends, like this, we have to solder the pin. Like this, we have to solder the pin, friends, and now we have to tape it. Like this, we have to tape it, friends. Now one part is finished. Charging part is finished. Now we have to connect the battery. This is a lithium ion battery, friends. These are the lithium ion batteries. I collected two batteries and connected in parallel connection, friends. This is another main important thing, friends. You have to remove this, friends. This there, no, friends. This like this you have to remove and keep it here, friends. I will draw the connect border is there, no friends. This board pins, I take it out, friends. Plus and minus are connected here, and 3 wires are there, no friends. These 3 wires we have to connect to this. Now connect, friends. Red, orange, and green, white, yellow, white. Like this you can connect, friends, 3 wires. Now we have to solder it, friends. Apply the paste and take the lead and the soldering rod. Like this, and another way. Like this we have to solder it, friends. Now we have to tape it. Like this, we have to tape it. Lithium battery is parallel, and like this we have to tape it, friends. Now we have to fix it here, the battery, and like this. The cap. See, friends, like this I fitted this box. In this battery is there. This is the phone. Now we have to power on this. See, friends, it is working. See, friends. See, it is working. Like this, friends, you can make any of the phone like this, and you can replace any battery. If your battery is dead, like this, don't throw this phone, friends. If your battery is dead, use this lithium ion battery. See, friends, I am now going to charge this mobile. See, I made this type of pin. I cut this female to male cable and put this chalk. See, like this you can fix it, and this is the charger. See, friends, here, see, 54% charging. It's working, friends. Please you also try. Subscribe my channel, don't forget, and please like and share to your friends. Bye, friends.
1, 2